Are you ready to take your content creation to the next level? If you've ever felt stuck trying to keep up with the world of AI or unsure how to turn your creativity into consistent growth, this free guide was made for you. Introducing the AI Influencer Starter Blueprint, your step by step workbook for creators who want to grow smarter, not harder. This guide helps you use AI tools to simplify your workflow, expand your reach, and finally build a personal brand that stands out. Inside the workbook, you'll learn how to define your niche and attract the right audience. Create content that connects powered by tools like ChatGPT and Canva. Stay consistent without burnout and monetize your influence with confidence. Download your free copy of the AI Influencer Starter Blueprint today at BC Shub. Info: join the movement of creators using AI to work smarter, grow faster, and build true digital freedom. Because the future doesn't belong to the biggest influencers, it belongs to the smartest creators. Each page is interactive, fillable, and designed to help you plan, post, and profit, whether you're a new creator or a business owner ready to elevate your brand.